In the year 2018, a major analysis published in the Journal of Gerontology revealed a number that shocked many doctors. In adults over the age of 60, more than 60% of muscle loss happens during nighttime rest, not during physical activity. This completely goes against the common belief that simply walking more or exercising harder is enough to keep muscles strong. I have met many older patients across the United States who did everything exactly as recommended. They walked every day, they ate what they believed was healthy food. They took vitamins regularly, yet every morning their legs still felt heavy. Their muscles still felt tired. Standing up from a chair was still slower than the day before. So where is the problem? It is not because you are lazy. It is not because you are not eating enough. The real reason is that after the age of 60, nighttime is no longer automatically a recovery period like it used to be. Repair hormones are released in lower amounts. Silent inflammation inside the muscles increases, and most importantly, the body no longer receives enough biological signals to tell the muscles that it is time to rebuild. As a result, instead of being repaired during sleep, muscles continue to slowly break down in silence. What is interesting is that research from the United States and Japan shows that certain natural foods can act like biological switches. They send recovery signals to the muscles specifically at night. These are not medications. They are not expensive supplements. They are simple, familiar fruits that you can easily find in almost any grocery store. In this video, I will share with you 6 simple but science-backed fruits that can help your body activate muscle recovery while you sleep, especially after the age of 60. If this is your first time watching this channel, make sure to subscribe now. We share senior health knowledge that is very difficult to find elsewhere. And be sure to watch until the end, because the fruit at the top of the list may completely change how you wake up every morning. Now, let us begin. Fruit number 6, red grapes, protecting muscle mitochondria and preserving strength while you sleep. Many people over 60 tell me the same thing. They are not exactly in pain, they do not have injuries, but their bodies feel weaker over time, they get tired more quickly, and every morning feels like their internal battery never fully charged. Climbing just a few stairs feels heavy. Standing up from a chair requires slowing down for a moment. This problem does not come from the bones. It does not come from the joints. It comes from a very small structure inside the muscles that most people rarely think about: the mitochondria. Mitochondria are known as the energy factories of the muscle. Each muscle fiber contains thousands of tiny mitochondria responsible for producing energy for every movement you make. After the age of 60, both the number and quality of mitochondria decline significantly. When mitochondria weaken, muscles do not have enough energy to recover, even if you eat enough protein or sleep enough hours. And most importantly, mitochondrial repair happens most strongly at night. This is where red grapes become special. Red grapes contain a compound that has been widely studied, called resveratrol. This compound does not make muscles grow quickly, but it helps protect mitochondria from damage caused by silent inflammation and oxidative stress. When mitochondria are protected, muscles are better able to maintain stable energy production during sleep. That is why many people feel lighter in the morning, even without heavy exercise or changes in daily activity. In older adults, a very common issue is that muscles seem to stop responding properly to nutrition. You eat correctly, you eat enough, yet muscles still feel weak. The problem is often not how much you eat, but how well mitochondria can process energy. Red grapes, with their natural resveratrol content, help slow this decline, especially when consumed in the evening, when the body enters deep repair mode. Using red grapes is very simple. You do not need much. A small handful about 1 to 2 hours after dinner is enough. Do not eat them right before bed to avoid stomach discomfort. There is no need to juice them. No need for supplements. Whole grapes, with the skin, eaten slowly and chewed well, are enough to send the necessary biological signal. This part is especially helpful for people over 60 who feel muscle weakness without pain, get tired quickly with light activity, or wake up feeling alert but physically drained. When mitochondria are protected, muscles recover better at night and maintain steadier energy throughout the following day. Fruit number 5, banana. Helping muscles relax at night and preventing silent cramps. Many people over 60 think nighttime cramps are a small issue. They believe it comes from walking too much, cold weather, or simply aging. But in real clinical practice, nighttime cramps and muscle tightness are clear signs that muscles do not know how to relax properly during sleep, and if muscles cannot relax, they cannot recover. After the age of 60, the body's ability to regulate electrolytes changes significantly. Potassium and magnesium are no longer retained inside muscle cells as efficiently. During the day, movement may feel fine, but at night, this imbalance becomes noticeable. Muscles contract at the wrong time, fibers are stretched silently, and by morning you wake up feeling sore, heavy, or stiff, even without intense activity. Bananas play a unique role here. They do not directly build muscle, but they create the conditions muscles need to recover. Bananas are rich in natural potassium, along with a modest amount of magnesium, helping stabilize nerve-to-muscle signaling during sleep. When this signaling is stable, muscles receive a clear message that it is time to relax, rest, and rebuild. One important point many people miss is that nighttime is not when muscles should be active. It is when the nervous system controlling muscles must calm down. If that system remains overstimulated, muscles cannot enter deep recovery. When eaten at the right time, bananas help reduce this overstimulation. That is why many people notice fewer nighttime muscle twitches, deeper sleep, and less calf tightness in the morning. The way to eat bananas matters. One small, ripe banana, eaten 1 to 2 hours after dinner is enough. Do not eat too late. Do not combine with sugar or sweet milk. Bananas should be used as a muscle relaxation aid, not a heavy bedtime meal. This is especially helpful for people over 60 who frequently experience nighttime cramps, calf tightening during sleep, or wake up with stiff, heavy legs. When muscles learn to relax properly, true nighttime recovery can finally begin. Fruit number 4, blueberries, protecting muscle fibers from silent breakdown while you sleep. Even while you sleep, your muscles are not completely turned off. At night, the body is quietly balancing two opposing processes. One is repair and recovery. The other is oxidation and muscle fiber damage. After the age of 60, this balance easily shifts toward breakdown, especially in people who walk frequently, climb stairs often, or feel gradual muscle weakness despite regular daily activity. The reason lies in oxidative stress. As we age, the body produces more free radicals, while the muscle's ability to neutralize them declines. During the day, movement and adrenaline can mask this effect, but at night, when the body enters deep rest, oxidative damage becomes more pronounced. Muscle fibers suffer microscopic damage. It is not immediately painful, but night after night, it accumulates and leaves you waking up feeling heavier and more fatigued. Blueberries act like a biological shield during this phase. These small fruits contain high levels of natural antioxidants, especially anthocyanins. They do not make muscles grow quickly, but they reduce free radical attacks on muscle fibers during sleep. When oxidation is controlled, the body has a better chance to repair microdamage effectively. Blueberries are particularly suitable for older adults who stay lightly but consistently active. Morning walkers, gardeners, people doing housework, or those frequently going up and down stairs. They may not feel sharp pain, but gradual muscle wear happens quietly. Blueberries help slow this process by protecting muscle structure while you sleep. Using blueberries is simple. A small portion, about half a cup, eaten 1 to 2 hours after dinner is enough. They can be eaten alone or with unsweetened yogurt. There is no need to juice them because juicing increases rapid sugar absorption, which is not ideal at night. And if you are still watching this video at this point, I want to say something honestly. Information like this is rarely explained clearly to older adults. If this is your first time here, please subscribe now. We focus on what truly helps you maintain strength, independence, and quality of life after 60. Now let us continue with another familiar fruit that can determine whether your muscles are preserved or slowly lost while you sleep. Fruit number 3, apple, stabilizing nighttime blood sugar and preventing silent muscle breakdown. Many people over 60 wake up with a hard-to-describe feeling, not pain, not dizziness, just heaviness and weakness, as if sleep did not fully restore them. In many cases, the cause is not sleep quality, but nighttime blood sugar. After the age of 60, nighttime blood sugar control declines significantly. Even small rises or drops during sleep can trigger stress hormones. When these hormones increase, the body prioritizes protecting the brain by pulling energy from muscle tissue. This process is called silent muscle breakdown. It does not cause immediate pain, but repeated night after night, muscles gradually weaken without obvious warning. Apples play an important role in breaking this dangerous cycle. Apples contain natural soluble fiber that slows and stabilizes sugar release over many hours. This is especially valuable at night, when the body needs steady energy to maintain tissue repair without drawing from muscle. Apples also contain quercetin, a compound studied for its ability to slow age-related muscle breakdown. Apples do not stimulate muscles. They create a safe biological environment where muscles are not attacked during sleep. When blood sugar remains stable, stress hormones drop, allowing the body to focus on repair instead of self-consumption. That is why many people wake up feeling clearer, lighter, and less mysteriously fatigued. How you eat apples matters. One small apple, eaten with the skin, about 1 to 2 hours after dinner, is ideal. Do not eat too late. Do not combine with sugary foods. Apples work best as a nighttime biological buffer, not as a sweet dessert. This is especially helpful for people over 60 who feel mild nighttime hunger, wake up during the night, or experience morning muscle weakness without heavy activity. When nighttime blood sugar stays stable, muscles finally have the chance to be preserved and repaired properly. Fruit number 2. Pineapple, improving protein absorption while you sleep. Many people over 60 believe that eating enough protein is enough to preserve muscle. They drink milk, eat meat, and take protein supplements regularly. Yet clinical reality shows a paradox. Many people consume enough protein, but muscles still weaken and morning fatigue continues. The issue is not how much protein you eat, but whether your body can digest and absorb it, especially in the evening. After the age of 60, digestion slows noticeably. Stomach acid decreases. Digestive enzymes decline. When you eat a protein-rich dinner, a significant portion may be poorly digested. At night, instead of supplying amino acids for muscle repair, the body struggles with bloating, digestive heaviness, and low-grade gut inflammation. In this state, muscles cannot enter deep recovery. Pineapple offers a unique advantage. It contains bromelain, a natural enzyme that helps break down protein into more absorbable forms. When protein digestion improves, the body finally has the raw materials needed to repair muscle fibers during sleep. Pineapple does not make muscles grow quickly, but it ensures that the protein you already eat is actually used for recovery. Pineapple also helps reduce bloating and mild post-dinner inflammation. This is important for older adults because deep sleep only happens when the digestive system is calm. When the stomach feels light and inflammation signals drop, the body shifts into repair mode. Many people find that adjusting dinner and adding a small amount of pineapple improves sleep quality and reduces morning heaviness. Pineapple should be used carefully. Only a few small pieces, eaten 1 to 2 hours after dinner, are enough. Do not eat pineapple on an empty stomach. Do not consume large amounts, as it may irritate the stomach. Pineapple works best as a digestive support, not as a main food. This is especially helpful for people over 60 who eat protein at dinner but experience bloating, mild reflux, or heavy body sensations in the morning. When protein is properly digested, muscles finally receive what they need to recover while you sleep. Fruit number 1. Watermelon, improving circulation and nourishing muscles throughout the night. Many people over 60 do not realize that their muscles are not weak because of insufficient food, but because they are not properly nourished during sleep. During the day, the heart still pumps, movement continues, and things seem fine. But at night, peripheral circulation, especially to the legs, often slows significantly. When blood flow drops, oxygen and nutrients cannot reach muscle tissue, and recovery is interrupted. The signs are familiar: cold legs at night, heavy legs in the morning, weak muscles without pain. This is not just aging. It is the result of declining circulation over time. And if nighttime circulation is not improved, all other nutritional efforts become less effective. Watermelon provides gentle but meaningful support. It contains L-citrulline, a natural amino acid that helps the body produce nitric oxide. Nitric oxide supports mild blood vessel relaxation and improves blood flow, especially to peripheral tissues like leg muscles. When circulation improves during sleep, oxygen and nutrients can finally reach muscle fibers for nourishment and repair. Importantly, watermelon does not stimulate the heart or raise heart rate. It supports circulation gently, making it suitable for older adults. That is why many people report sleeping better, feeling warmer legs at night, and waking up lighter in the morning without changing activity levels. Timing matters. A few small pieces eaten 1 to 2 hours after dinner are enough. Do not eat too close to bedtime, as the high water content may disrupt sleep. Do not consume large amounts, especially if you are sensitive to blood sugar. This is especially helpful for people over 60 who experience cold legs, heavy legs, or weak muscles in the morning. When nighttime circulation improves, muscles finally have the opportunity to be nourished and repaired while you sleep. After the age of 60, muscles do not weaken because you stop trying. Most people try very hard. They walk, they eat carefully, they take vitamins regularly. What very few people are told is this: muscles are preserved only when nighttime truly becomes a recovery period, not a silent breakdown phase. What you heard today is not a trick. It is how the human body actually works after 60. When circulation is supported, blood sugar is stable, protein digestion improves, oxidation is controlled, and muscle mitochondria are protected. The body repairs itself while you sleep. No strong drugs, no expensive foods, just the right signals at the right time. If you want to wake up with lighter legs, less fatigue, and maintain long-term strength to live independently, start with small, consistent changes like these. And if this video helped you understand your body better, please subscribe now. We share senior health knowledge you rarely hear elsewhere. Comment "sleep well," strong muscles to let me know you are here, and so I can share how to choose and combine these foods for different ages. You deserve to feel stronger every morning you wake up.